The cold is coming, and your Tesla has many features designed to enhance your cold weather driving experience. Back to the channel, Dan here from Tesla. Well, it is that dreaded time of year again, and up here in Canada, it's getting cold. I'm not looking forward to it. The snow, the ice, the driving. It's just, well, not so much just driving, other people driving. Can't drive in the snow. Anywho, the good news, though, is that your Tesla is designed for optimal winter driving performance. The first thing is, because the battery is distributed across the entire bottom of the car, you have excellent weight distribution, which makes it for excellent winter driving. My rear-wheel drive Model 3 was excellent in the snow, even though it had a rear-wheel drive car. So the other thing is its highly responsive motor and dynamic traction control. It makes it fun and easy to drive in the snow. The other thing to know is in cold weather, the vehicle uses more energy, and that's to be expected. Obviously, you have to cold is not the battery's friend, as well as you're using a bit more energy to heat the cabin and all that stuff. So it is expected to drop a bit in the winter. Some say it's a lot, some say it's 50%. I don't think it's that much, depending exactly how cold it is. But for the most part, I would say it's about 30% drop in range. The good news is Tesla has made several updates to improve your driving experience in freezing temperatures. That includes better supercharging times, improved cabin conditioning, and better overall thermal performance. Many of these features are enabled automatically or can be enabled for your trip. So let's get right into them. So the first thing we're going to talk about is plugging in your vehicle. When your vehicle is plugged in, energy-intensive features like cabin and battery preconditioning rely on the external power source rather than the vehicle's battery. This maximizes available energy for driving once you unplug. The second thing is scheduled departure. You can conserve a significant amount of energy by using scheduled departure prior to your trip. Once you have specified your departure time using the touchscreen or Tesla app, your vehicle prepares itself by determining the best time to start charging and preconditioning. Now, if you're not using scheduled departure, you can precondition your vehicle manually by going through the app. Either you can use the defrost or preheat your cabin to your desired temperature. Has the same effect. You probably want to do this for about 10 or 15 minutes, depending on how cold it is. You can do this by going to your Tesla app, selecting climate, and either turn it on or defrost the car. Another cool feature in your Tesla is the Energy app, which gives you a lot of details on your driving habits and how to improve them to improve range in the winter. The Energy app on your touchscreen provides a visual representation of your vehicle's real-time and projected energy usage. As you drive, your vehicle measures real-time consumption versus expected and lets you know when you are gaining or losing range based on several factors. Range tips are provided to advise how to best improve your energy consumption. Similarly, the Energy app now tracks energy usage while parked to show what systems are consuming energy while the vehicle is stationary. Watch out for that dreaded blue snowflake. Now you'll see this on top of your touchscreen as well as in the app. It basically signifies when your battery is too cold. When this icon is displayed, you may notice reduced range, regenerative braking, as well as acceleration. Leaving your vehicle plugged in whenever possible and keeping the charge level above 20% when not plugged in will reduce the impact of cold temperatures. Once the battery is warmed up, you can do this by either charging, preconditioning, or just driving around, and then eventually that blue icon will disappear and you may see a bump in available energy. If you plan to supercharge on your trip, Tesla recommends navigating to each supercharger or to your destination, even if you know your route. When navigating to a supercharger, your vehicle automatically preheats your battery to maximize charging speeds once you plug in. So as long as you have your supercharger as your destination, you don't have to do anything else. As you're driving, you'll notice you'll see an icon once you get a little closer that says preconditioning for fast charging. And once you get there, just plug in and you may save yourself about 5 to 10 minutes of charging, which of course can get you back on the road even quicker. So let's get into snow and ice tips, specifically when you are expecting snow and icy conditions. So one of the things you're going to do is reposition your wipers and mirrors. If you're expecting snow or ice buildup, place your wipers in the service position and deactivate mirror autofold to help prevent icing. For your wipers in service position, go to Controls, Service, and put Wiper Service Mode on. To deactivate your mirror autofold, go to Controls, Mirrors, Mirror Autofold. So now let's talk about driving specifically in winter conditions. Now, in your regenerative braking system, obviously if you let off the accelerator, you may decelerate quickly, which is not so good in icy conditions. It may cause some slippage. So what you want to do is turn that setting to low. For most average winter driving, I don't change it except if I know I'm driving on ice. Like I said earlier, in freezing conditions, use the defrost function in your Tesla app to remove any snow and ice from your vehicle so it's easier to get in as well as more comfortable inside. Tesla door handles are really cool. However, they do have one drawback. They do get frozen and stuck. This was a game changer when they put this in the app a few months ago or this year, is you can just press the app to unlatch the door, which is awesome. To access the door latch, you just gotta go, it's in your quick control, so long press on this. Now it's down here. You can drag it up here to your dock if you wish to, or just use it from here. Tesla also used to recommend applying a WD-40, a silicone WD-40, to the little pivot inside your door handle, just to prevent any sort of ice buildup, and it stops from freezing. And to manually clear a frozen door handle, just bump the handle with the end of your fist while wearing a glove until the ice is broken. For optimal performance of your frozen autopilot sensors and cameras, clear the autopilot sensors and cameras of snow and ice. I like to use these lens cleaning wipes. They're convenient, keep them in the car, and clean the lens really nicely, and it's safe to use. For optimal cabin heating, remove all ice, snow, and other debris from the cabin or intake at the bottom of the front windshield. All right, so that does it for winter driving tips. Yes, winter is awful, but thankfully we have some of the best cars for winter driving. So hopefully these tips helped. And I do have other winter driving videos. You can check them out up here or up there, somewhere up there, or just check out my channel. There's tons of other content as well. So again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I put out about every week or so. All right. So again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you get through this winter unscathed. So drive safe and drive electric. Still recording. Okay. This maximizes available energy for driving once you unplug. This maximizes available energy for This maximizes available energy for driving once you unplug. This maximizes available energy for driving This maximizes available energy for driving once you unplug. Winter is coming. Snow is gonna be on the ground. Snow and ice. I can't wait, actually. No, not really. All right, welcome back to the channel. Conditioning. The good news is Tesla has made several. Thankfully, though, your Tesla offers optimal winter driving experience performance.